Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an all new Paradise Galleries doll, and this one I am so excited about. I've had my eye on her since she first came out, so we're gonna go ahead and open her up.
You had your eye on her? You took your eye out?
I'm gonna take my eye off her. She comes in the regular box. The Paradise Galleries dolls come in. And she is story time. Isn't she so cute? Look at her. She's adorable. Yeah, her eyes are very pretty.
She smells good. Like my
She
bum.
smells like baby powder. And she comes with her certificate of authenticity. She's number 211.
Good games, 211.
And she has a cute little headband. It looks like a book and a pacifier in the back. And a little, cute little headband. And a pacifier. And her storybook. It says, "Tell me a story." And you can put the name in the book. "Good day to you. Let's have some fun and sing some songs till we are done. Sweet dreams, my love." Oh, that's very cute. I like that book. It's very soft. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll untie her. Take her out of the box. Alright. Oh, she's pretty heavy. Got stuck. Alright. Yeah, she has some weight to her. She smells so good.
She does.
We'll go ahead, we'll take these things off of her. There's a little yellow stain or something on her outfit right there. I don't know what that is.
Pee-pee stain.
I don't know if the camera will catch it, but it's like very small. You could barely
Don't worry about
it.
Oh, her dress matches her back.
It does. I love her dress. She got these cute little shoes. She's made of the soft touch vinyl, so soft touch vinyl is actually softer than the gentle touch vinyl, and it has that nice baby powder scent to it. So if you want to take a look at her feet before I put her shoes back on, she's got nice blushing right there. Her toes are nicely painted. And her body is plop. And let's take a look at her hair. So I'm curious to see her hair. It's very beautiful. It's blonde. Alright, so her hair is actually rooted. It's very nice. I guess we'll have to comb it to make it look a little bit more presentable, but I'll let you take a look at it in the back.
She smells really good.
I love her eyes. Her eyes, she just has like that gaze. So beautiful. Very nice color blue. Put her little headband on. Oh, she's so cute. Her headband, it's a little big for her head. Oh, yeah. It's just a little tad bit big. But that's fine. And there's her binky and her little book. Oh, so we're gonna go ahead and we'll see how much she weighs. Let's turn the scale first. You want to come over here so you can
Technical difficulties.
Yeah, so at the scale, you can't put the baby on there until it's ready to go.
Okay, we're ready, Freddie.
Okay.
Chunky,
She's
3.1.
3 pounds, 1 ounce. So she has a nice, good amount of weight in her. But I really do love her dress with all the nursery rhyme characters on there. The Humpty Dumpty and the Hey Diddle Diddle, Cat in the Fiddle, the cow jumps over the moon. There's the spoon and the plate and Humpty Dumpty again.
Perfect for any kid because the smell is really nice. I think the kid would love the smell.
Yeah, yeah. She is just so pretty. But yeah, I highly recommend her. You can find her on Amazon or on the Paradise Gallery's website. I got mine off of Amazon, and I will put the link in the video description. So we just want to say thank you so much for watching. Thanks for watching. I lost my shoe. See you next time, friends.
Kick it. Boom, 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 boom. She looks half dead.